Good evening, children. Now we are discussing about heat and temperature. Already in previous classes, we might have understood what is hot and cold. Yes, we understood that hot and cold, they are relative terms, and heat was a form of energy. We use the terms temperature and heat to describe these observations. These words technically have a special meanings. In order to understand their meanings, we have to do some activities, right? Yes, activity 1. In this activity, we have to take a piece of wood and a piece of metal and keep them in a fridge or in ice box. After 15 minutes, take them out and ask your friend to touch them. Yes, which is colder. Why? When we keep the materials in fridge, they become cold. Yes, obviously we know. They lose heat energy. That means they lose heat energy. When you keep the things inside the fridge, they lose heat energy. The iron and the wooden pieces were kept in the fridge for the same period of time. But we feel that the metal piece is colder than the wooden piece. Here, one question is raised. What could be the reason for this difference in the coldness? And another one is, does it have any relation to the transfer of heat energy from our body to the object? See, when you touch the metal or wooden piece, you feel that they are cold. What is this means? That heat energy is being transferred from your finger to the pieces. When you remove this finger, you don't get a feeling of coldness. This means that heat energy flows out of your body. You get the feeling of coldness. And when heat energy enters your body, you get a feeling of hotness. Right? Already in our day to day life, we might have experienced. For example, you can test this by bringing your finger near the flame of matchstick or something else. So, if you feel that the metal piece is colder, yes, if you feel the metal piece is colder than the wooden piece, it must mean that more heat energy flows out of your body when you touch the metal piece as compared to the wooden piece. In other words, the degree of coldness of the metal piece is greater than that of the wooden piece, right? So we can define the temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. So the conventional definition of temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. We say that metal piece is at a lower temperature as compared to the wooden piece when they are taken out the fridge. Here, why does transfer of heat energy takes place between the objects? Does transfer of heat takes place in all situations? What are the conditions for the transfer of heat energy? Yes, to get the answer for all these questions, we have to understand what is thermal equilibrium. What is the relation between heat and temperature? right?